So this is how you, sorry, welcome to Freight Explorer. Today I'm going to show you how to import big invoices from a PDF invoice. And how I'm going to do it is I've got an invoice that I got from my friend here, Mr. Freddie Mambe from Lucid Freight. He's one of our biggest clients that we've got. He's actually the first client that we had in our company. But yeah, like he said, I'm going to start. So you will see that I've got a menu called data import. To have this menu, you need a license for data imports for importing large invoices, and you can speak to one of our sales consultants to if you need more information about it or to get a license. So what you do is you click on data import, click on file list, and then we wait. So these are some of the files that we have imported before. And for this demo, we are going to import a new entry. So what you do is you click new file and you'd see the first button here that says select file. You click on it and then you need to locate your file that you want to import. So in this particular case, we're going to take this one from Mr. Freddie Mabo, and it shows you the full name of the file and the extension. And we click this save button to save the changes, and then it activates the generate bill of entry button. So you click on it, and we need to put the reference. In this case, this is the description of the goods that we are conveying. So I'm going to say a screencast test. Need to choose the packaging that will be the packaging type that is going to put on each particular line. Remember, we've got like 2,000 lines, and each line we should put a package, and we choose our branch, and we click generate BOE. So we sit back, we relax, we count, and we sit back some more, and we wait for the system to generate the entry. That's like 10 seconds so far. We wait some more. There we go. So our entry is done, and the system is actually navigated to the export entry that has been done. So you will see that the system already created an exporter for us. So what we need to do now is to say screencast test and put our exporter reference. I'm going to use that reference for the purposes of this demonstration, and we are going to country of destination. We are going to Namibia, and the consignee that will receive is a Studio 88 in Windhoek that has also been pulled from the invoice. In this case, we don't have any warehouse. So this is the outright export of free circulation goods to the BLNS. So that's H6100. The system has defaulted that for us. And we are going by road. The transport document number, I'm just going to put the test value there. And I'm going to default to today's date. This has been done in Johannesburg. Departure date would be today, for example. So we are going to use SA Hauliers. And we've got a trailer as well, SA Hauliers. Look at that. This is going to be loaded in Jamestown and discharged in Windhoek, and we're going through NACOP. So the system has put for us the invoice number that has been pulled from the invoice that we imported, and the date as well. So this is the total of the invoice value. This is the total number of packages, which is the same total number of lines. We don't have a gross mass because our products do not have weights as yet, so the system did not default the gross mass, but I'm just going to put something there for our testing purposes, and we are using the rand value. So this is the header information that is only missing when we are doing an import, and as you can see, we've got all these number of lines. These export lines, we've got 2,050 lines, and you can see that on this particular column tariff code, we've got nothing because we need to map these products to their specific tariffs, and also we do not have the weight as our products have not been mapped to tariffs. So there we go. We've actually imported the file. It created our products. It generated the entry. We have filled up the header of the entry. We save it. We wait some more, wait some more. And also because there is like 2,000 lines, the system goes through each and every line and then it does what it needs to do in the background. Wait some more. There we go. Our save has been successful. So we can actually from here, just refresh this entry. Go to our exports. There is the entry that we just imported now, the screencast test. And if we try to save now, it says build UCR. So this is how we build the UCR. We need to select the entity type. In this case, it's customs, and we've got our invoice, and it's a single entry for the scope. And we submit, save that. And this is going to take a while. So for a one line or like a few lines of the declaration, this will not take as much time. So just bear that in mind. It's not that the system is slow, but it's because there's a lot of lines and there's some validations happening in the background on this particular line. So at this point now we can actually generate an SAD 500. So let's wait again. We've got 2,000 lines. There we go. There is our entry. You can see that the exporter has been created for us. We did not touch this. All the VAT numbers, the TIN, everything has been done for us, basically. All we needed to do was just to put the transport mode, the transporter, and maybe the gross mass, and that's it. But in this case, you see, we are missing the tariff description because we don't have tariffs. If we go and complete all our products and we map them to tariffs and we put the weight, when we import this same invoice again, the system will populate everything for us except the header of the declaration. All right, so I'm just going to show you where the products are. If you come under freight lookups, you will see that there's a menu called products. So under products, these have been created for us by the system. As you can see, there's 700 total products that have unique products that have been created. And let's just try to navigate and show you how it's done in Freight Explorer. So if you click the first product, this is how it shows on this. It brings up a sidebar on the right where you can navigate to the next product, or you can go back to the previous product. And as you can see, some of these products have been mapped already and they've got tariff codes. All right, so let's just do a simple query just to showcase some of the best functionalities you can find in Freight Explorer that you may not or most likely not find in other systems. We've got a button here at the bottom left or on the bottom right called Edit Filter. So this allows you to make your custom queries. It's like you are asking the developer of the system to create a query for you and bring you the data. But in this case, we are giving that power to yourself. So we want to look for all the products that do not have a tariff code. So we are going to say where the tariff code is now, and we are going also to look for products that do not have weight. So where the weight is now, and instead of using an and here, we want an or. So either a tariff code which is now or a weight which is now. If we put and, then the criteria changes. So in this particular case, as you can see, the reason why this one with the tariff code is showing is because our query says or. So because there's a tariff code but the weight is not there, we are going to see it as we see. So if we go to that particular one with the tariff code but without a weight, if I put the weight, say for example, I say the weight is 6 kilograms and I save it, if you look in the background, it's gone because now it does not meet our criteria, our search criteria for a tariff code that has got no value or a weight that has got no value. So now we are on 698 records. If I go to another tariff, And then I just give it for an example of that particular tariff, and I say the weight is one, and I save. See, the count of the totals in the grid is now 697. So these are some of the functionalities that come handy. This is what we mean by Freight Explorer. It's a web-based system. It's very simple. It's not hard to import invoices. It's very simple to create entries. It's very simple to manipulate your data. So you can go previous, next, or you can actually clone a record to create a new product. But yeah, that's it. I mean, plain as simple as that. Freight Explorer. That's more power. It gives you more time to do other things instead of you sitting down and capturing or entering data. That's it for now. Thank you.